Hi, I'm Jacob with Solve Energy. Here at Solve, we're dedicated to protecting your roof while installing your solar system. That's why we use high-quality mounts that ensure that your roof will stay leak-free for 25 years. So first thing we're going to do is ensure that the roof is free of any debris or moss or pine needles, so we would typically hit it with a broom if that was the case. In this situation, this is a brand new roof, so we don't have to worry about that. Normally, we would have everything chalked out where our mounts are going to be placed. Today, for the demo, I'm going to show you how we put it on. We go right in the middle of the shingle. We don't place it on a seam to ensure that we have a flush surface. I have a Tupperware container here to show you how we make it 100% waterproof. As the RT Mini tape compresses during installation of the screws, it forms a durable, self-sealing barrier around each screw and the base of the mount. The roof-rated caulking applied after adds an extra layer of security, ensuring long-lasting waterproofing and preserving the integrity of your roof for 25 years. Here's the ultimate test. With the mount fully submerged in water, you can see there's no leaks. This demonstrates how effective this mounting system is at keeping your roof safe, even under harsh conditions. So as you can see, it's been submerged here for about an hour. We have no leaks underneath. The mount is the first step of the process, and then we're putting our L-feet and our racking system on top of that, which your solar panels sit on top of. For metal roofs, we use a specialized mount that clamps securely onto the seams of your metal roof. This system requires no holes to be drilled, preserving the integrity of your roof and ensuring it remains watertight and undisturbed. This non-invasive solution ensures long-term durability and protection. For flat roofs, we use an engineered ballast system designed specifically for your roof. This system uses weighted blocks to secure the mounts, leaving no holes or penetrations in the roof. It's reliable and a non-invasive solution that adapts perfectly to flat roof surfaces, ensuring structural integrity and optimal performance. Our high-quality installation process ensures durability, quality, and most importantly, protection for your home.